In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Smartsheet form. Whether you're gathering data for a project, collecting feedback, or managing an event, creating a Smartsheet form gives you a versatile way to streamline information collection. Let's get started by opening the sheet where you want to collect data. This is crucial because the form you build will directly feed into this sheet, so make sure you've chosen the right one for your needs. Now, direct your attention to the top menu. Click on Forms, and then select Manage Forms. If you haven't created any forms yet, don't worry. You'll be prompted to create one. This is where the fun begins. In the Form Builder, you'll first notice the ability to add or remove fields. This is your chance to tailor the form exactly to what information you need. To add fields, simply drag the columns from the right panel to the left. Each column corresponds to data in your sheet. Conversely, if there's a field you don't need, you can remove it by dragging it back to the right. Customizing field properties is your next step. Click on any field to modify its label or add helpful text that will guide your respondents as they fill out the form. You'll also find settings here that allow you to make certain fields required, ensuring that essential information is always provided. Rearranging fields is a breeze. Just drag them up or down to change their order. This way, the questions can flow in a logical sequence, making the form more intuitive to fill out. An exciting feature available is the ability to apply conditional logic. This step is optional, but it can significantly enhance the user experience by showing or hiding fields based on previous inputs. To set this up, select the triggering field, click on the Logic tab, and define the conditions under which fields should appear or remain hidden. Next up, customization isn't just about functionality, it's also about appearance. You have the freedom to change the layout of your form, add custom colors or a background, and even insert a logo for a personalized touch. Don't forget to adjust the security settings to make sure your data remains safe and controlled according to your needs. Now that you've crafted your form, it's time to preview it. Click on the Preview button to see exactly how it will appear to users. This is your opportunity to make sure everything looks and functions as it should. Once you're satisfied, click Share. Here, you'll receive a unique URL or embed code, allowing you to distribute your form. You can email it to potential respondents, embed it on your website, or share it via your team's Smartsheet dashboard. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of building a Smartsheet form. This tool is a powerful way to manage incoming data efficiently, giving you the ability to take control of your information flow effortlessly. Happy form building!